Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, splash guards, rear window defroster, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.